Hello everyone, my name is Nandini Tyagi and we are back again with another class of reasoning, and the topic for today is coding and decoding. So coding and decoding, for those who are very new to it, so a code is a system of signals. Therefore coding is a method of transmitting a message between the sender and the receiver without a third person knowing it. The coding and decoding test is set up to judge the candidate's ability to decipher, or we also pronounce it as decipher, the rule that code a particular word message and break the code to decipher the message. So what is actually coding and decoding? If we go into practical terms or in real life terms, coding and decoding basically is a kind of system where the senders and the receivers are involved in such a way that the message that they are transmitting between themselves couldn't be detected by the third party. So that's what coding and decoding is all about. So coding and decoding from exam point of view has been divided into two ways. Type 1 will have letter coding and type 2 will have number coding. But these are just just to tell you that letter coding, in this questions the real alphabets or the words would be replaced by certain other alphabets or letters in certain way, and then you have to predict that what was the actual word. In a similar way, number coding, what will happen, it will be a numerical code in which the question would be put in such a way that the number itself would be transformed into other number code, and you have to retrieve back what was the exact sequence of the numbers or number. So if we talk in simple terms, these type 1 and type 2, that is letter coding and number coding, can actually be divided into four ways or four categories, and these are the main categories that you have to remember also. First is letter to letter. Let's suppose if I write cat as dog, right? So this is kind of letter to letter coding. Okay, if I write cat as dog, then I might have another word which they would ask me that what would be the code for this particular word, or they might also ask me that code is this, what will be the word, if word is this, what will be the code. Either way the question can be formed. Now letter to number, if suppose cat is written as 12, so this is example of letter to number coding. As we'll do the questions based on these types or these categories, you will be able to understand what exactly it is all about. Now Chinese or fictitious coding. For example, I write cat as in this way. So if I write it in a form of symbols, it is called Chinese coding or fictitious coding. Then the last is substitution coding. Substitution coding is again very similar to this letter coding only, but in substitution coding there will always be meaning to the words, but in letter coding not necessary. For example, in letter coding, let's say water is written as something like that. Okay, so if suppose this is written as this, water is written as this, so this word has no meaning, right? So this is letter to letter. So this is also letter to letter, even if it is giving the meaning, even if it is not giving the meaning, it will be letter to letter. But if it is giving the meaning, so this is also example of substitution coding. For example, in substitution coding, we do it like that. Green, we consider green as red, red as blue. So this is how substitution coding is. Or any animal or anything, chair is table, table is something else, truck is truck is car, car is something else, this way. So see the first question of coding and decoding here. If in certain language, if entry is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so what we will first do is entry is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and steady is coded as steady is coded as 931785. Then the state which is correct code for the word neatness. Neatness. So neatness is NEATNESS, right? So here we know that N is 2, right? E is 1, A is 7, T is 3, N again is 2, E is 1, S is 9. So this will be the code for neatness. So what we have to select? 21732199. So this is our answer. So in this question what we have done is, entry is given as 1 2 3 4 5, steady is given as 931785, neatness we have to predict. So neatness word has no extra alphabets. Extra alphabets means जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स आपके एंट्री और स्टेडी को वर्ड में यूज़ हुए हैं वही नीटनेस बनाने में यूज़ हो रहे हैं. तो आपका जो आंसर है वो यही होगा. इस तरह से आपको इसी में से ढूंढ लेंगे हम और आंसर निकालेंगे. बट अगर सपोज़ करो आर की यहाँ पर सपोज़ करो एस की वैल्यू नहीं पता होती, ए की वैल्यू नहीं पता होती, तो हम इस तरह से इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते. फिर हम इसको किसी और तरीके से सॉल्व करते. ये सोचते कि ई से एन कैसे बना या ई 1 है, तो सम टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. तो वो उस तरह के जब हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट बेसिक टाइप ऑफ कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग वेयर 1 or 2 words are given. There this thing is also given what they are, how they are coded, and then we have to find the code for our particular the word that we need to find. So this is the most basic type of coding decoding question. Now let's suppose this is another type where